Malwarebytes and Bitdefender are two well-known names in the cybersecurity world. Both are designed to protect your devices from malware, suspicious behavior, and online threats. But they take very different approaches to security. The best choice depends on whether you want a lightweight tool that focuses on malware removal or a full protective suite that guards your device at all times. Malwarebytes is known for being fast, simple, and focused. It originally became popular because it was excellent at detecting and removing malware that other antivirus tools missed. Even today, Malwarebytes shines as a cleanup and threat removal tool. If you have a device that feels slow, infected, or unstable, Malwarebytes does a great job of scanning and removing malicious software quickly. The interface is very straightforward. You open it, scan, review results, and remove threats. It does not overwhelm you with options. For many people, this simplicity is the appeal. You do not have to manage a complicated dashboard or adjust many settings. It works without requiring much attention. However, Malwarebytes is strongest when reacting to threats rather than preventing them. While there is real-time protection in the paid version, its coverage is not as deep as a full security suite. Now let's look at Bitdefender. Bitdefender is more of an all-in-one security system for your device. It includes real-time protection, phishing defense, ransomware blocking, web protection, a firewall layer, and additional privacy tools. It is designed to prevent threats before they happen, rather than only removing them afterward. The detection engine is known for being very strong and very efficient. Bitdefender consistently performs well in independent lab tests for both detection accuracy and impact on system performance. Bitdefender also includes features that help everyday safety, such as monitoring unsafe websites, scanning downloads, and alerting you to suspicious network activity. If you work online a lot, do banking or shopping on your device, or manage work files, these features can make a real difference. Bitdefender is built to create a shield around your digital life, not just repair damage after something goes wrong. In some cases, people choose to use both, Bitdefender as the main protection and Malwarebytes as an occasional scanner to catch anything that slipped through. This can be an effective pairing when done correctly. The best choice comes down to your daily habits. If you want full protection and peace of mind, Bitdefender is the stronger all-around solution. If you want a simple tool for scanning and removal that does not require management, Malwarebytes fits that role well. Both are effective. The right option is the one that matches how you use your device and how much control you want over your security setup.